friends, welcome to Healthy Kadhai. Today I'll be sharing two gluten-free and healthy roti recipes which are perfect for winter months. If you are following a weight loss diet, so you can easily consume these rotis for your breakfast or lunch. So let's see how to prepare it. Before starting with the video, I would request you to please subscribe to Healthy Kadhai and click on the bell icon to get regular updates of a new recipes. To prepare ragi roti, we'll take 1 cup of ragi flour. Ragi is also called as finger millet. This is a perfect gluten-free alternative to regular items. Ragi is actually called as a superfood because of its high fiber density and nutritional value. Just to let you know, ragi is a good source of iron as well as calcium. Actually, it has got 3 times more calcium than a glass of milk. So one should definitely include ragi in your diet. To add to the fiber content, I'll add half a cup of grated carrot, half a cup of grated cabbage, and here goes few chopped onions. Basically, you can add any winter vegetable in your ragi roti. I'm adding this lovely color combination of red, green and pink, making my ragi roti even more nutritious and fiber dense. Then we'll add few spices. Here goes salt, red chili powder, half a teaspoon cumin seeds or zira powder, sprinkle little flour on the base of ajwain or carom seeds. Next we'll mix all the ingredients together. We'll add little lukewarm water and we need to prepare a nice dough. Ensure not to add water in one go, just add little by little until you get a firm but soft dough. My dough is ready. It is nice, soft and firm. Let's prepare ragi roti using it. We have prepared a ball of the ragi dough. Just roll it with a light hand. That's about it. Our ragi roti is ready. Let's cook it up. Ragi roti takes little time in cooking, so ensure to cook it on medium flame. Once cooked from one side, we'll flip it over. And we now need to cook it from both the sides. We'll cook it from both the sides. Just press it gently. If you want to give ragi to kids, then you can even prepare ragi flour batter and prepare chila using it. Chilas will be softer for babies to consume it. Our ragi roti is ready. Flip it over and just press it gently so that the roti is cooked from both the sides. First of all, ragi itself is so fibrous and then we have added these vegetables. So if you are on a weight loss diet, then you can easily consume this ragi roti for your breakfast, lunch, and it's ready. For serving, just apply desi ghee on top of it. Desi ghee is very important. And your ragi roti is ready. To prepare besan roti or missi roti, I'll take 1 cup of besan, which is also known as gram flour. Gram flour is one of the very popular gluten-free alternative to whole wheat flour, which is atta, and it is really very healthy to consume gram flour. It helps in weight loss. To a gram flour, we'll add grated radish and few chopped onions. And here goes few greens. These are radish leaves only, which I have chopped finely. Now we'll add salt as per taste. red chili powder, turmeric powder, zira or cumin seeds, ajwain or carom seeds. I usually add ajwain in mostly all my recipes and even in daily cooking because it is really good in digestion. And here goes half a teaspoon of grounded flax seeds. Flax seed is also very healthy. You can just simply grind flax seeds in mixer grinder and you can use it in your roti, chila or any other thing you want to prepare. Then we'll add half a cup of curd, and then we need to combine all the ingredients together. We'll add water if required. We'll also add 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil. And again we'll need a nice soft and a firm dough. You can add little more dry flour if the dough becomes too sticky. Our dough is ready. See, it is a nice soft and a firm dough. Apply a little more oil and we'll knead it one more time. We have prepared ball of our misi roti as well. Again we'll sprinkle little flour. Besan roti tends to stick at the base, so once you have rolled it out, then we'll use a knife and we'll just slide through it and we'll easily be able to remove the roti. Let's cook our misi roti. Then we'll cook our besan roti. Misi roti is one of my favorite and most commonly prepared breakfast. Again, cook it on medium flame. Once cooked from one side, we'll flip it over. Just look at this beautiful color. I love to add veggies to my misi roti. You should add all the winter vegetables which are easily available during these days. You can cook it like parantha, but I would suggest just cook it in this fashion. Press it a bit and our besan roti is almost ready. Let's serve it. Apply desi ghee on the top. Apply a generous amount of desi ghee and misi roti is also ready to serve. Friends, do try out this recipe and let me know how does it turn out for you. If you liked watching today's video, please hit the like button, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadhai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.